Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Binance US. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of their BNB token, some of the best wallets you can use, and more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Many crypto exchanges and forex brokers do not accept clients from the United States due to strict regulations. The Binance team has created a licensed exchange specifically for United States citizens, and it is regulated in several US jurisdictions. The Binance US exchange is listed in more than 10 states, and this exchange offers more than 100 cryptocurrencies with low trading costs guaranteed. Whether you are looking for an exchange with many financial products and features, either centralized, decentralized, as a US citizen, or if you are a developer looking for EVM-compatible dual-chain architecture to develop decentralized applications and DeFi protocols on, Binance has what you need. Changpeng Zhao is the founder of the Binance Exchange, the Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, and Binance US. These four platforms are designed to run parallel, with each one operating independently to fulfill a specific need in the market. In this video, we will be focusing on the Binance US exchange. When trading with Binance US, you can use either the mobile application or the web trader. The Binance US mobile application can be downloaded for free from the Apple App Store or Google Play. You can link this application to your Binance wallet and use it to easily manage your portfolio, make deposits and withdrawals, and trade over 100 popular cryptocurrencies. This application also allows you to create custom alerts for your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can use it to monitor and analyze charts over different timeframes. While the mobile application offers a more simplistic view of the markets, you can use the web trader if you are looking for in-depth charts and more advanced trading features and drawing tools. Not only does Binance US offer reliable and intuitive trading platforms, but you can also stake the cryptocurrencies you are not using or trading to earn up to 18% interest on them annually. In order to stake crypto with Binance US, all you need to do is create an account, fund it, and choose one of the supported cryptocurrencies to start earning interest. You can stake directly from the website or use the mobile application. To learn more about staking and how it works, head over to the Products tab and select Staking from the drop-down menu. Binance uses the BNB utility token and also offers a USD-pegged stablecoin as part of its Venus project in collaboration with Paxos. Stablecoins can be redeemed for US dollars in a 1-to-1 ratio, and the Binance stablecoin is a highly regulated coin that can be transferred globally at low costs. The BNB token can be used to pay for goods and services, and it also gives clients major discounts on their trading fees. BNB holders can also earn commission on referrals, and this token can be staked to earn exclusive rewards. You can also use BNB to send and receive crypto using the Binance Pay application, or apply for crypto loans. If you have a Binance Visa card, you can use BNB to pay for goods and services at more than 60 million merchants worldwide. Before you can start trading, exchanging, staking, or mining on Binance US, you need to create an account. You can easily create an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, open the Binance US homepage, and then click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. Next, you'll want to verify your email address. Once your account is verified and you have completed the sign-up process, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Once you are ready to buy crypto, you will need a wallet to store it in. There are different types of crypto wallets, and the wallet you choose depends on your preferences, the types of digital assets you'll be storing in it, and the level of security you will require. Binance offers an incredible multi-chain crypto wallet that can be installed as an extension on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Brave. You can easily manage your assets on BNB Beacon Chain, BNB Smart Chain, or the Ethereum network, and transfer your assets between your Binance account and Binance Wallet. You can also use this wallet to stake your BNB to earn daily rewards with interest rates as high as 30% APR. The decentralized application browser can be used to explore applications built on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. The Binance Wallet also includes an exchange where you can easily swap tokens directly from your desktop or mobile wallet. Once you have created your account and linked your Binance Wallet, you can buy crypto directly from the Binance Web Exchange or by simply using the mobile application. Once you are ready to start trading, if you require assistance with anything else, you can contact the Binance US support team. To submit a web ticket, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on Contact Support under the Support menu and fill in the form. We would also recommend visiting the Support Center to view guides and tutorials on creating and managing your account, making deposits and withdrawals, and everything else you need to know about the platforms and products. So, what do we like about Binance US? The Binance US Exchange is one of the best crypto trading platforms for US-based traders and investors because it is compliant with regulations and has a decent product offering and a great staking program. Binance also offers both a stablecoin for borderless payments and a multi-purpose utility token that can be used to get discounts on trading fees, more staking rewards, and it can be used to pay for goods and services from more than 60 million merchants globally. If you are curious about how you can use the Binance Smart Chain to explore and develop decentralized applications, we would recommend checking out the other Binance sites. Or take a look at our other Binance for Beginners video, where we cover the official exchange and everything else you would need to know to get started. If you are interested, be sure to open your Binance account today and get a head start on your crypto trading career with one of the leading crypto exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of Binance US. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.